Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is going to be another makeup tutorial. It's going to be another makeup transformation. So into this video is going to be a Pennywise makeup transformation. So I want to show you guys how I made this makeup look right here, and also what other products I used to achieve this makeup look. So this is only a basic Pennywise makeup tutorial, guys. Ayan. So for those of you who want to try for Halloween makeup, you always can try this look. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into the video. Yo!
Find your way into this wonderland. Cross the maze, the dark, the innocent. Chase the faith, the thrill, the heaven sent. I got you wild upside down. The labyrinth will guide you far away to a place where senses will decay. Your ghost and mind will shadow play. I got you wild upside down. Find your way into this wonderland. Cross the maze, the dark, the innocent. Chase the faith, the thrill, the heaven sent. I got you wild upside down. The labyrinth will guide you far away to a place where senses will decay. Your ghost and mind will shadow play. I got you wild upside down.
In my head. Voices in my head. Voices in my head. Just came to the bed. I've got voices in my head. I can see you from behind. You can hear me in your mind. Run so fast as you can go. Time will catch you before you know.
Are you scared? You know, I am you.
Voices in my head. Voices in my head. Voices in my head.
So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope to see you again soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to share this video if you like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.